What's going on, y'all? This is Jackie, and today I'm making a video titled COVID Reloaded. Y'all, they trying to bring COVID back. Some people say it never left. My mama, she's a nurse. Y'all know my mama's a nurse, and she still wear her mask. She's vaccinated and everything. But yeah, so we gonna see what's going on right now. The CDC is monitoring 30 mutations of the COVID 19. Health officials started monitoring BA.2.86, a highly mutated version of the COVID 19 virus. Not much is known yet about the newly detected lineage, though its large number of mutations have prompted the World Health Organization, the CDC, to begin tracking the strain. So this article came out on the 18th, and I had been paying attention to it because I always pay attention to what's going on. And this came out on the 18th, and then before that article came out, the day before, a New York hospital reinstated mask mandates amid the uptick in COVID cases. So this was a hospital in upstate. It was Upstate University Hospital in Syracuse, and I want to say that hospital was one of the first ones that did the vaccine mandate back in what 21. I want to say it was them because I remember Syracuse. If not, if they weren't the first, they was like the second. And so they reinstated the mask mandate on August 19th. I'm sorry, August 17th. And they put effective immediately mandatory masking is required by all staff, visitors, and patients in clinical areas of Upstate University Hospital, Upstate Community Hospital, and ambulatory clinical spaces, according to a memo sent to staff. And so clinical areas are defined as any location patients gather, wait, transport, thorough, or receive care. So they is not playing. And then they said all patients being admitted will also be tested for COVID-19. So they weren't playing. And then another hospital a few days later. So let's see. The one in Syracuse did it on the 17th. And then this article came out on the 21st, which was 7 days ago. And they reinstated mask mandates 1 month after ending the mandate. So they reinstated it. And this was in Auburn. New York Community Hospital has restored its universal mask mandate only a month after officially ending it. And that's probably about how I was down here. My mom, the hospital she works at, they ended it in May, I think, June. But like I said, my mom, she still wears hers. The hospital is requiring all hospital patients and visitors to wear masks in clinical areas effective August 19th. Masks are also required at its physician practices and 80-bed skilled nursing facility. Patients with COVID-19 will be restricted to one visitor who is wearing full personal protective equipment according to the hospital policy, which remains into effect until further notice. And so yeah, it yeah, and it says the mandate comes 2 days after Upstate University Hospital in Syracuse reinstated universal mask in COVID uptick nationwide. So yeah, it's a lot going on. Now, I'm not saying that COVID ain't here because my mom is getting over it now. She is a nurse and she is vaccinated with a booster, and she got it. And then here it is. This was a week ago. So a week ago from today, today's 28th, August 28th, Dublin Hospital reinforced restrictions on visitors following COVID-19 outbreak. And basically the same thing. And then here, and that was in Dublin, whatever country that's in. And then here we have Morris Brown College reinstates COVID mask mandate. I want to say this was about a week ago, and this is in Atlanta or Georgia. Morris Brown College. Yeah, Morris Brown explained that the decision follows recent reports of positive cases among students in the Atlanta University Center. So they brought it back, and then of course Hollywood. studio brings back mask mandates among spiking COVID cases. And this was on the 22nd. So all of this is within the last week or so, within the last 10 days. And Hollywood studio Lionsgate, which they do a lot of movies, is returning to mask mandates for many of its employees amid rising COVID-19 cases reported in Los Angeles. And employees must wear the mask unless they are alone in the office with the door closed, actively eating, actively drinking at their work area, or if they are the only individual present in a large open space, according to the email memo. And then look at this right here. As new COVID variants emerge, America lifts its middle finger to the same mandates. I was like, child. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna see. So far, I haven't heard of any more hospitals reinstating the mask mandate. I think everybody's just taking a wait and see approach, and yeah, we're gonna wait and see what happens. If it gets worse, if it gets better. I know the government, the administration, they're talking about maybe lockdowns again. So yeah, we gonna see how all this play out. But that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to chime in on this COVID reloaded, and we're gonna see if it goes through this time. All right. If you have any questions or comments, you can follow me on my blog, and I will talk to you later.